If you are a woman over 40 trying to build muscle, improve your strength, and recover faster from workouts, there's one thing many women overlook: recovery. Most women focus on protein, they focus on exercise, they focus on burning calories. But the reality is that your body doesn't get stronger during your workout. Your body gets stronger during recovery. And after 40, recovery becomes even more important because hormonal changes, inflammation, stress, poor sleep, and busy schedules can all affect how quickly your body repairs and rebuilds muscle. My name is Dr. Tasheema Fair, and today I'm talking about Herbalife24 Restore and how it may support your recovery strategy if you are serious about maintaining strength, mobility, and healthy aging. Stay tuned. See, as we get older, we naturally experience something called sarcopenia. Now, sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. Beginning around age 30, adults can lose approximately 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade, and that rate accelerates later in life. For women entering perimenopause and menopause, hormonal shifts can make muscle preservation even more challenging. Got it? That's why recovery is not optional. It it is essential. Recovery helps support so many things, but it really helps support muscle repair, performance, strength gains, mobility, energy levels, long term healthy aging, things like that. And if you're constantly sore, exhausted, and unable to recover between workouts, your progress can slow dramatically. Okay? Well, maybe you're asking, what is Herbalife24 Restore? I'm so glad you asked that question. It is a part of the Herbalife24 Sports Nutrition line. It was developed to support recovery and overnight muscle restoration. Got it? The formula contains ingredients designed to help support your body's natural recovery processes while you sleep. Key ingredients in Restore include iron, zinc, and selenium. These are great for muscle restoration. See, these nutrients play important roles in normal muscle function, immune support, and cellular repair processes. See, Restore is designed to complement a comprehensive fitness and nutrition program. It's not designed as a replacement for sleep. No, it is not a replacement for adequate protein intake because you need that. And it is certainly not a replacement for resistance training. Got it? Think of it as one potential tool within a complete recovery strategy. All right. Now, maybe you're asking, well, what actually builds muscle? That's such a great question. Let's just make it clear for you, okay? No supplement builds muscle by itself. Got it? Muscle growth requires progressive resistance training, adequate protein intake, recovery, and consistency. Okay? That's it. That's all. That's it. And many women over 40 struggle because they focus heavily on cardio and neglect strength training. And you need strength training. If your goal is healthy aging, strength, metabolism, and body composition, resistance training should be a major part of your weekly routine. The workout creates the stimulus. Okay? Protein provides the building blocks. Got it? And recovery allows the adaptation. Miss one of these pieces and your results are going to suffer. Right? Okay, so here's my framework for women over 40. And when I work with women over 40, I encourage them to focus on 5 recovery pillars. Number 1, sleep, non negotiable. Quality sleep is where much of your recovery occurs, okay? Aim for 7 to 9 hours whenever possible, right? 2, protein. Protein. Most women are significantly under consuming protein. Okay? Prioritize protein at every meal. Got it? 3, hydration. Even mild dehydration can affect recovery and performance. Go ahead and check the video on hydration. Number 4, strength training recovery. Allow muscle groups significant time to recover between intense sessions. Number 5, strategic supplementation. Got it? This is where products like Herbalife24 may fit into Restore may fit into your overall wellness plan. Supplements should support a strong foundation, not replace it. Who can benefit from Restore? So glad you asked that question. Here's a list of women who may consider products focused on recovery. If you are a woman who is strength training consistently, if you're active over 40, if you're a woman working on body recomposition, if you're a woman wanting to support healthy aging, or you're a woman looking to optimize your recovery habits. Okay, remember individual results may vary. Okay, see, the foundation is always lifestyle first. Got it? No supplement can overcome poor sleep, inadequate nutrition, or inconsistent exercise. Okay? Hope you're getting this. This is good stuff. All right. So if you're a woman over 40 who wants to build muscle, maintain strength, and age powerfully, don't overlook recovery. Recovery is where the process happens. Okay? Herbalife24 Restore may be one tool that supports your overall recovery strategy when combined with proper nutrition, exercise, hydration, and sleep. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel because I'm creating an entire series on muscle building, recovery, and healthy aging for women over 40. If you are a woman over 40 who is ready to build out your muscle building and recovery program, comment below what your biggest recovery challenge is right now, and I will reach out to you to help you get started on your journey today. Be sure to check out the videos that are coming up on your screen, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.